We converted a garage apartment to a rental for our son, and I didn't think it would be as incredible as it ended up being. I truly think it's because we handled every little bit of space with love and affection. We all knew going into the project that it was a small space and we were asking a lot out of 360 square feet of what used to be a single car garage. Our main goal was to carve out a living space, a bathroom, a kitchen, and a separate bedroom space. And we were even able to create a back seating area totally separate from our shared backyard, which was right behind a utility closet off the garage. We own our own contracting company where we work on historic homes for other people, but this was our personal labor of love. We all pitched in and worked on this project for over 3 months, and I feel like we just wanted to make it special because it was ours, and our son was going to be living in it. Like a part of us was going to be given to him as a gift, sort of speaking, like a gift you would give your kids. I guess you could call it a love offering of some sort. Yes, I know he's not going to live in here forever. It's just to serve as a very nice, peaceful space to help him get his own business off the ground, which is stressful enough. But for right now, we're enjoying him being nearby. We do love the space. It turned out great, and it'll be a fabulous rental someday. But having your 20-year-old son share a cup of coffee on the back porch or dinner around the table when he gets home from work is super nice to have right now. Because I know all things change and it's never going to last forever, but for now, I just feel grateful for the space and to have him around a little while longer.